In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this circular flowchart easily in PowerPoint. As you can see here, you can put the project title here and then the process. You can add some icons and add some detailed text, and then this process got three different options, option 1, 2 and 3, again with the icons. And if you like to add some detailed text, you can add it at the bottom. And then this is the decision. If the decision is no, it's result 1 and it has to go back to rework and it will go back to the option 1. If it is a yes, then it go to the result 2, or if it is option 3, directly it is going to the result 2. So like this simple one you can create easily, or if you want you can make some complex design as well in PowerPoint. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link. I have used Office 2019 version to do this. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes. From the basic shapes, select the oval shape. Draw the oval shape by holding the shift key so that you get a perfect circle. Shape outline, make it no outline, then align center, align middle. And I'm going to add one more oval shape by pressing Ctrl D. You can see here, bring this aside, right mouse click, go to format shape, and you can select the gradient fill. And here I'm going to use only 2 stops, so 2 stops I'm deleting. So the first stop I'm going to use some light color, and the other one I'm going to use somewhat gray color like this. And then if you want, you can change the direction whichever you want. All right, and then hold the shift key, reduce the size a little bit, and then align center, align middle. Again, if you want, you can further reduce it. Again, make sure to align center, align middle. And once this is done, I'm going to select both of this, press Ctrl G to group it and move it towards the left side. All right, now I'm going to add one more by holding the Ctrl Shift key. You can see here like this, and then again you can reduce the size by holding the Shift key. You can see here a little bit reduce, and make sure to align in the middle. Once this is done, I'm going to select only this part, the inside one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it. Now here I'm going to add 3 options. So the first option comes here, hold the Ctrl Shift key together, and then the second option, and again the third option. Now here I'm going to add one shape. For that, go to insert shapes. From the rectangles, select the rounded corner rectangle, draw the rounded corner rectangle like this, and this orange point, drag this inside. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, you can just choose any color of your choice. I'm just going to choose this turquoise color, and then send this to back and make sure that it is properly aligned. You can see here something like this. Again, if you want, you can reduce the like this. Now once this is done, you can add the other options. So in this case, I'm going to add one decision. For that, press Ctrl D to duplicate, and I'm going to bring this one here. Now for this, I'm going to select this shape, go to shape format, edit shape, change shape, and I'm going to choose the diamond shape here. And here also the same thing, I'm going to choose the diamond shape. So you got this shape here, and then I would like to give some result here. For that, I'm going to duplicate this. You can see here. All right, and then this also I'm going to duplicate and rotate. I'm going to rotate it like this, reduce the size and send this to back. All right, you can see here like this. And here also I'm going to just select both this one and drag and drop here by holding the Ctrl Shift key. Just make sure that it is properly aligned. Okay, so this is not aligned, so let me just correct this as well. So depending on your requirement, you can just fill this with gradient color or any other color. For example, I would like to fill this with, say, this is some problem, so this is, I'm just choosing this color, and then this is okay, I'm choosing the green color. Now for this also, you can select a gradient fill. Now gradient fill, one color I'm going to choose, maybe any color of your choice. Maybe I'm just going to choose some green color. You can see here the other color, I'm going to choose some light green color. maybe I'm just going to choose this one. So you can see here it looks like this. And for this you can increase the, you can see here I can make this one more white also, and if you want you can just change the direction the way you want, and this also you can make it like this, and then make sure to give some shadow effect. This is all just beautification work. If you don't want, you can simply leave it as it is. For this also I'm going to select the gradient fill, and then here I'm going to choose some other color, maybe a purple color, and the other one I'm going to choose some light purple color. You can see here like this. And for this also you can just go and choose the shadow effect. So as I said, this is all beautification work. If you want to skip, you can skip this one. So once this is done, I'm going to draw the lines. For that, go to insert shapes. I'm going to choose this line arrow, and this line arrow, from this drag and drop it here. Let me just remove this guideline so you can understand, and then insert arrows. Now I'm going to choose this one which is coming from this and till here. You can see here, press Ctrl D. This is second one which is going to this, again Ctrl D, this one with like this, you can see here, and then again I can duplicate this one, both these options going towards this decision. You can just simply drag and drop, you can see here like this, and from here to here I'm just going to use the same arrow. Okay, and if it is not aligned properly, you need to just select it and bring it down. You can see like this, and once this decision is not right, I can bring this to the previous level. So let me just do it later, that part. And here also I'm just going to select and this one here. All right, now let's talk about the text. So this is, for example, your project name. Okay, so you can just put the project name, just giving some dummy data here. All right, and then press Ctrl D. So this could be a process here. All right, and then Ctrl D. These are some three options. I'm going to put option 1, option 2, option 3. Option 1, Ctrl D. So this is option 2, and then I can just hold the Ctrl Shift key, drag this one down, and this is the option 3, and this is the decision. Press Ctrl D. This is the, I'll just say this is the decision, and then if decision is yes, it should be the this one, the result. We can see here this is the result 1. Again I can just select this one, left align, press Ctrl D, and this is the result 2. And if it is yes, I'm just going to add one more arrow from this one like this, and if it is no, it should go back again. So I'm going to choose this one. From here it should go back till here. You can see like this, and this one, if you want, you can give a dotted lines. All right, so now let's put the text. So insert, or I can just choose this one, press Ctrl D, and this one, if it is yes, sorry, if it is no, it will be going to this place. Ctrl D, if it is yes, it is coming here. You can see here, align it properly. All right, and this is the rework. So go to insert, and I'm going to just say rework. Align it properly, and if you want, you can just fill this with white. You can see here, and some outline also if you want. So this is the rework. You can see here, rework means it go back to the option 1, and then comes here. And then if you want, you can just add some detailed text, and then you can go to insert icons, and you can just choose any icons of your choice. So I'm just selecting some few icons here. You can see here some 8 icons I have selected. Move this one here, and I'm going to make this as 0.4 smaller size, and then I'm just going to make it like this. You can see here, maybe this one has to go back here, this will come here. You can see here like this. I'm just making some icons. Whichever icon you feel better, you can just choose. And all right, so you can see here with this simple step we have completed this circular flowchart design in PowerPoint. Like this, you can make some complex designs as well.